Hello friends, here is code for ZoomableImageView which you can find at the link in description, and in this video I will show you how to use this in Sketchware. So I will just copy this code for ZoomableImageView, then I will go to Sketchware. Here I will add a linear layout. Let's add a linear vertical with width match parent and height match parent. Okay, and we will set the padding to 0. Next we go to library manager and switch on app compat and design. Then we will go to image manager and add an image. Let's add this one and we'll name it as add 2. Okay, this is add 2, simple. And next in Java or Kotlin manager we will create a new Java class file with name ZoomableImageView. So create this. Now in this Java class file ZoomableImageView, paste the code which you had copied. Note that the package name should be the same as your project package name. So do not remove your own package name, remove the package name which is copied. Okay, now save this. Okay, so ZoomableImageView file is created. Next we will convert this linear layout into ZoomableImageView. So here we will go to convert, and first we will write the package name. Okay, so we will again go back to this Java and Kotlin manager, and here we will copy the package name. Okay, and next in convert we will write the package name dot ZoomableImageView. ZoomableImageView. Okay, next we go to the ID and change the ID from linear1 to zoom1. Okay, this will be easier to write, so I have written it zoom1. Next we go to onCreate, and here we will display the image from drawable resource file. So we'll write, you can just copy the code. So it will be zoom1.setImageResource. So name is zoom1.setImageResource r.drawable.add2. Okay, and we will also display image from URI, so we will add a file picker component of MIME type for images. And in view we will add this on click event, zoom1 on click. We will use file picker pick files. Next we go to components, and here we add file picker on files picked. So here we will get the URI of the image. So for that we have to use this code. If data is not equal to null, URI selected image URI is equal to null, and if data dot get clip data not equal to null, then we get the selected image URI by writing item dot get URI, and otherwise we get selected image URI by writing data dot get data, and then we can display it. So first we convert the selected image URI to bitmap. Okay, this is how we can display it using bitmap. So here we will just leave this code. We will not display it from bitmap. We will set the image from URI. So we will use this code. Here the name of our image view is zoom1. Zoom1.set image URI, selected image URI. Okay, I will just remove this binding. I will show you why I have added this binding. Here you can see in variables the name of this zoomable image is binding.zoom1. Okay, so that's why here I have to write binding.zoom1 dot set image URI, selected image URI, and same thing we will do in onCreate. Here we will write binding.zoom1. This is only required in the new version of Sketchware Pro. In previous version, you can add only Zoom 1. Okay, now we run the project. So there is some compile log, syntax error, insert colon, and unreachable exception. Okay, so here we will insert this semicolon, and here we have try and catch IO exception. So actually this try and catch exception is needed when we are displaying the image from bitmap. So we will just remove this code. Okay, and we can directly set the image. So now the app is full loaded, installed, and here you can see the image from drawable. We can zoom it. We can zoom it. Okay, and when we single click, we can select an image. Okay, let's select this image. Okay, and here you can see we can pinch and zoom this image, and when we double click, it will come back to its original size. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.